What is the reason that a baby is born with Down syndrome? The emotional pattern associated with Down syndrome is that a baby made a karmic choice to come here to teach parents unconditional love. I noticed that when parents who had a Down syndrome baby accept this baby with unconditional love and start treating the baby equally, like a child who doesn't have any problems, a child become adjusted to the society much better, and the whole family becomes like a healed family, like a normal family. They are not suffering, they are not in victimhood, they are totally normal family. So, but a baby made this karmic choice to teach them unconditional love, so the whole family become united with unconditional love.